Hey guys, Justin here, Mr. BMW South Africa. So we're driving the BMW iX3 all the way to Heidelberg from Secunda. It's about 110 kilometers, and we want to see what the average fuel consumption or electric consumption is on this vehicle. So I did reset everything, guys. You can see there it says there's about 97 k's range left to drive all the way to Heidelberg, and then you can see my current range. The car's on full charge. Supposedly I'm supposed to get 505 kilometers of range. I've got 291 range left over there, so we'll see on the way to Heidelberg what actually happens. But yeah, guys, we're going to drive in eco. We'll obviously keep it at the speed limit. There's a stop street there, so we'll keep it at the speed limit on the way there, and then let's see what the average fuel consumption is. We're supposed to get 18.9 kilowatts per hour per 100 kilometers, so currently we're sitting at 23.5, but obviously we just started driving. So yeah, let's see what happens when we get there, guys. I think it's going to be very interesting to actually see what happens. Just a little bit of the BMW iX3 itself. This is a normal X3 BMW, but with a full electric motor and battery, so it's got an 80 kilowatt an hour battery or capacity. Yeah, guys, it is, so like I said, 505 k's of range supposedly. She's supposed to get in the car. We'll see today. I'm a bit nervous, but I've trust my brand BMW, so let's see what we get, guys. The other thing is 210 kilowatts and 400 newton meters of torque. More than enough, guys, more than enough with a direct electric motor like this. It really feels fantastic. I don't currently have my brake energy regeneration on. It's still on partially, but not on like full brake energy regeneration. So yeah, and I've got my aircon on, I've got my cell phone on charge. So yeah, let's see what we get, guys. I mean, we've got everything running, and I've got the radio playing, obviously not now for copyright, but let's see, guys. I'm really interested to see what we get when we get there. The car is on Eco Pro, however, so it also doesn't give you full aircon or anything, so it's just like a light aircon, just keeping me cooler in the car. Very misty, guys. It's actually such a nice and relaxing drive. Really enjoying this. Just listen to how quiet this car is inside. It's crazy. Listen, I'm going to put my indicator on. It's so loud. Oh, I love this. This car, the drive is so soft. I actually want to see, I can't remember now if it has run flats. We'll see when we stop if this car has run flats. But it's such a smooth drive. Like, it's chalk and cheese compared to an X3 2-liter diesel, which is also a smooth drive, but this is just like a little bit of a next level. Just remember, this is also not X drive though. This is a rear-wheel drive only. One thing that's very strange is this car is so quiet. I just pulled away from the toll gate, and with my window open, because there's no engine sound, you actually hear the road, so the tires on the road. So it just like, I'm like, is there an aeroplane lifting off or something from here? Because I can't see it, but I can hear it. Sounds like it. It's just something so surreal, but so real, and I'm really enjoying this, guys. It is, the future is here, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm pro electric. Like, I love my V8 engines, my straight 6 turbocharged as well. I love my V8 and straight 6 or ICE engines, internal combustion engines, even diesels. I love diesels. But I'm pro electric, guys. If this is the future, I'm sold, eh? At least the sun is nice and out now. Look at the view. Some nice flowers. Look at these, it's sheep. I don't know if it's, no, it's not sheep. There we go. Look, nice. It's bulls, and I don't know what you call them in English. There's a big bottle. It's nice and green still, guys. I know autumn is almost here, but it's still nice and green. Check out these guys drive, man. Taking chances. I'm almost in Nigel. I don't know if you guys remember Nigel, for the South Africans out there, the Vetkoek Palace. I wonder if Vorsie still works there in Vetkoek Palace in Nigel. I wonder if Vetkoek Palace was ever in Nigel. I don't think so. Yeah, guys, such a nice valley. Currently, we're sitting at 20.3 kilowatt an hour per 100 kilometers, and we still have 294 k's range left. Stunning. I'll let you guys know as soon as we get there, and I'll show you where we're tracking.
Just
I think while we are a bit stuck in traffic, let's have a look. We've got about 10 k's left. There we go. So we've got 10 k's left. We're almost at the destination, and we're driving slow now, so I think the range will actually pick up, guys. So you can see there, 316 kilometers range. We started at 289, I think, or 298 if I remember correctly now. I did take pictures, but you guys can see that in the video. But guys, you can just imagine, I mean, okay, so there's the battery percentage now. So we're still on a, let's call it a 3/4 tank. And then let's see, we've got 18.5 kilowatt an hour per 100 kilometers, guys. That is 0.4 lighter than what they say on paper. Average or combined for BMW on paper, it says 18.9, and this is pretty much combined because I just drove through Nigel. We're going to Heidelberg, so it is like a stop go and then a little bit of long distance as well. So yes, really good fuel consumption, guys. There we go, still picking up 318 k's range. So let's quickly see what we have done so far. Okay, 91 k's, and we've done an average of 92.9 kilometers an hour. So really not bad. Almost 100 k's an hour on average, which was basically average, because you can see there that is the speed limit, and then sometimes it was 120. Really very surprised about the fuel consumption or economy, or the electric economy. The energy consumption in this beautiful car. It is really fantastic. It's really, and the more I brake, the more it regenerates.
and a butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
We are literally there, just around the corner, and we'll be there 2.1 k's. So let's quickly check, guys. So I've had everything on the car. The only thing I had in economy drive is the Eco Pro individual, but have a look at that. Come on, guy, you can drive 18 kilowatt an hour per 100 kilometers. That is 0.9 less than what the papers say, guys. It is insane. Check the range now, 325. Just crazy. And yes, okay, this time to Heidelberg, I was driving like Miss Daisy. I'm not gonna lie about it, but we had to. I want to see what the difference is. So on the way back, obviously, I will drive like I usually drive, a little bit faster, overtake with more aggression, because now I just overtook very slowly, gradually, drove very nice. Guys, we're 17.9 kilowatts an hour per 100 kilometers now. It might 17.8. It's definitely gonna go down. I see it fluctuating between 17.9 and 17.8, but we're at the place now. I'm going to stop now. So yes, guys, we will see. I'm going to show you the car on the outside just now, and then we'll see what we get when we go back to Secunda. I think that's going to be an interesting one. So here's the iX3 that we just drove, guys, and no, it doesn't have run flat tires, and I think that is why this ride is so smooth. Have a look at it here. We're going to have our breakfast, and then we're going to take it back to Secunda, and then we'll see exactly. On my driving, I'm going to put it in comfort, and then we'll see what we get on the comfort mode on my driving, or the way I drive this vehicle. So a little bit of a harsher overtaking, we'll take it from there. We are done with our breakfast. Let's quickly have a look here. So 330 k's range left, still 3/4 of a tank. We didn't drive anywhere, of course. I'm going to reset everything now. So we did 101.1 k's, 80.7 kilometers per hour average fuel consumption or energy consumption. Let's quickly have a look here. Let's go through the options. Okay, 17.9 kilowatt an hour per 100 kilometers. So obviously we're going to reset that, and then let's quickly put it into our navigation. Where we're going back to Secunda. Driving back to Secunda, I'm going to put it into comfort mode, and I'm going to drive like I would normally drive. So I'm going to like just a little bit more aggressive overtaking, not like my grandma. So just a little bit more aggressive overtaking, and just driving not fast, but just a little bit faster than usual. So let's see what the average fuel consumption is when we get back. almost back in Secunda, guys. Not too bad. Time is 11:45. Really good actually. Let's see what it says here. 12 k's to go. Check there, guys. So obviously these electric cars don't like it when you push it a bit harder. Well, it's not like they don't like it. I mean, the car can do it, very capable of it, and it's so enjoyable. What I mean is we lost a lot of range and all I was simply doing is just drive quicker. Basically, driving quicker means, or in my sense, getting to speed quicker. So still sticking to the speed basically, but just getting there quicker. When you overtake, you just overtake quicker. You put your foot flat down. When you leave the toll gate, for instance, you just put your foot flat down till you get to the speed limit. So just a little bit more aggressive driving. That definitely gets you to your next destination a bit quicker when you actually just drive and not pur. That's what we call it in Afrikaans. Really not bad, guys. I have to be honest. I mean, you can push this car a lot harder, of course. I mean, you can put it in Sport Plus mode or in Sport mode and you can just blast this car if you really wanted to. But we didn't do that. This is just a real situation test. So when you drive like Miss Daisy, and also when you just drive normally. So let me show you quickly. So you guys can see, this is the big reason I'm saying the car doesn't like it. So you can see there, 129, okay, 130 k's range left. We just started braking now, so that's why it regenerated some energy back into the battery. And you can see there, guys, 25 kilowatt an hour per every 100 kilometers. So compared to the 17 to the 24.9 or 25, it is a major difference. That's also why that mileage or the range has gone down so much. Yeah, Doc, that's basically it, guys. Let's quickly see the average speed. You see, so from 81 k's an hour to 103.7 k's an hour. So we definitely upped the speed, and that's the reason for all of that. But really not bad. I mean, I'm still getting back home. It was 220 k's basically in total. Well, let's say 101 plus 101, so 202, 203 kilometers. Just check here, guys. You can see I'm back in Secunda. There's a nice little dam over there. You can see the dam. I hope you see the dam. And then you get to the industrial area. Nice. As you can see Sassel. Okay, you can't really see Sassel because it's very foggy in Secunda today. We'll see Sassel just now. But in any case, so yeah, 202, 203 k's driven and 125 k's range left. The car does tell me that it's still 50% or, well, just below 50%, I'd say. Yeah, just below 50%, let's say 40%. The car's at 40%, 43%, and we still have 126 k's range left. So that's really not bad, plus the 202, so that's 329. Sorry, I'm driving and concentrating. Maths, okay, any case. So 329 k's range, that's what we would have gotten if I keep on driving like this now. But if I slow down again, drive again, well, I'm not saying driving like Miss Daisy. I mean, there's a lot of people are still stuck to the speed limit, and yeah, I just overtook very slowly. That's the only difference basically. And when you get up to speed, you just do it gradually. So that's actually normal driving. There's a difference between normal and my normal. But yeah, if you just drive it normally, you'll get quite far with this car, guys. You'll definitely get to the next charging station, get a fast charger, plug it in, get this car charged in 45 minutes to an hour, and you back on the road. So really not bad, and at a fraction of the price of actual fuel, guys. Alright, guys, but thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys' support. Let me know if you like these fuel consumption, energy consumption tests, long distance or whatever, and then yeah, we'll do a little bit more of them. Thank you, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for notifications on new uploads. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Peace.